Hello, you are most welcome. I'm teacher Ivan from Wuuna Educational Services. We are continuing with our first episode of O-level mathematics revision, and our first topic was logarithms. Today we are continuing with more problems in logarithms. Our second question says, without using a calculator or mathematical tables, evaluate. We have 4 questions. Part A is log 120 minus 2 log 6 plus a third log 27. So here we are not supposed to use a calculator or mathematical tables. Therefore, we shall only apply laws of logarithms and simplify to the final answer without using calculator or using mathematical tables. So let us start on our part A, which is log 120 minus 2 log 6 plus a third log 27. First of all, our logarithms don't have bases, but we saw that when given logarithms without bases, the base is automatically 10. So let us express that. We write log base 10 power 120 minus 2 log base 10 power 6 plus a third log base 10 power 27. After including bases in our logarithms, we now evaluate. We are dealing with the 2 aspects. We have subtraction and addition. We saw what we do with subtraction and what we do with addition. However, before we apply these 2 laws of addition and subtraction, let us first deal with the coefficients of our logarithms. We saw that these ones come and power the powers of the logarithm. That is to say, we shall have log 10 120 minus log 10 6 squared, or 6 power 2. This 2 becomes a power of 6 plus log 10 27 power a third. After that, we can now bring in the addition and subtraction laws of logarithm. We can do this 2 ways. We can first of all deal with the addition, or we can first of all deal with this. So let us first deal with this, where we have subtraction first. We shall take 1 log and then deal with the powers, that is 120. And since it is subtraction, we divide the first power by the second power. So we divide this by 6 squared plus log 10 27 power third, hence giving us log 10 120 divided by 36, that is 6 squared, plus log 10. 27 power third is the cube root of 27. And the cube root of 27 is 3. So we simplify that to 3. Still now we bring in the law that guides us in subtraction, whereby when we are adding logarithms of the same bases, we simply multiply the powers. So that is, we shall have log 10 120 over 36 times 3, thereby giving us log 10 120 times 3 is 360 by 36, which gives us, when we divide, we shall get 10. And still we have a law that talks about the similarity in the base and the power. When the base is equal to the power, that logarithm equals to 1. So we shall say that but log 10 power 10 equals 1. So our final answer is 1. The final answer in our part A is 1. I want us to look at part B of the same question. Part B says 3 log 10 power 5 plus 5 log 10 power 2 minus a half log 10 power 16. So they want us to evaluate this without using a calculator or mathematical tables, but simply applying the laws of logarithm. Let us begin. As usual, our first procedure or our first step in evaluating this is to consider the coefficients first. These coefficients are raised to become powers of the logarithm powers. That is to say, this one becomes log 10 5 power 3 plus log 10 to 2 power 5 minus log 10 16 power half. That is our first step. After taking the coefficients as powers, we now apply the rules of addition and subtraction in a logarithm. We start with the addition, since it is coming first, whereby if we are to add the logarithms of the same bases, we simply take one logarithm, that is to say 10 log 10, then we multiply the powers, that is 5 power 3 times 2 power 5 minus log 10 16 power half. We continue. This is log 10 5 power 3 times 2 power 5 minus 16 power half is the same as square root of 16. And the square root of 16 is 4. Or let us simplify it in another way without cramming the square root. So 16 is 4 power 2, power half. So the half cancels with the 2, thereby giving us log 10 5 power 3 times 2 power 5 minus log 10 power 4. Since we are subtracting, that means that we shall divide the powers of the first logarithm by the power of the second logarithm. That is to say, we shall have log 10 5 power 3, that is 125, times 2 power 5, that is 32, minus log 10 4. So since we are dividing, it is subtraction, so our next step is dividing. And since we are dividing, we shall have 125 times 32 over 4. That is our next step. And we can reduce 4, 1, 4, 8. So that we come up with log 10 125 times 8. So 125 times 8, that gives us 1000. Hence giving us log 10 1000. We can express 1000 in terms of 10. That is log 10 power 3. Hence the 3 goes down. We end up with 3 log 10. So this 3 can come up or go down according to what gives us the next step or the right procedure. And since we say but log 10 power 10 equals to 1, therefore it will be 3 times 1, hence giving us the final answer as 3. So that is how we evaluate without using logarithm or mathematical tables or calculators, but we simply use laws of logarithm to simplify and come to the last answer. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell so that you get notified whenever we have a new video. Otherwise, I kindly request you to share with the classmates, comment so that we know how we are serving you. Also like, and most importantly, please subscribe to all our YouTube channels from Wuuna Educational Services, which include Wuuna e-learning platform, Wuuna Kids platform, and Teacher Ivan's online class. Thank you. Please don't miss out our next lesson. We are Wuuna Educational Services, your learning pattern, ready to walk with you your academic journey. Thank you.